A Police Equipment Product Guide. Chapter 1. Where to buy police equipment and products. Police products at policemag.com/products. Also try archive.org then directory.policemag.com/default.aspx. Police products at police-1.com/police-products. Also try archive.org then police-1.com/company-directory/product-category. Many categories. Police products at officer.com/leaders. Good page of police product companies. You have to click one at a time to get the website. Police and military equipment websites. copmall.com. 1badge.com/equipment.htm. 511tacticalseriesgear.com chiefsupply.com/police_gear.html. actiongear.com. alpineco.com. bianchi-intl.com. cardinallawenforcementsupply.com. desantiholster.com. dr-test/catalog/law-enforcement-test-aids.htm. eagleindustries.com. elitetacticalsources.com. e-police-equipment.info. guideall.com/lawq.htm. jslin.com/security. justicepassage.org/law-enforcement-badges.html. law-enforcement.com, 800-547-7377. nic-inc.com, 888-642-0007. nlay.com. ny911.com. officerstour.com. omniseek.com/srch/83681. policeoneproducts.com. proper.com, battle and tactical apparel for military branches and law enforcement agencies. uscav.com, military equipment. rangerjoe.com. redwap.com, 800-852-0300, 503-585-9900, fingerprinting supplies. rothco.com. shoppingwarehouse.net. signal-one.com.au. searchia.com, 800-356-7311, fingerprint supplies, etc. teamlogo.com/law_enforcement_gear. uncle-mikes.com. uscav.com. Police and military equipment for sale. atomicdefense.com. body armor, tactical gear. blower.com. Police uniform store, apparel and gear for police. fmortonpit.com. 800-533-2838. 805-658-5133. galls.com. Uniforms, equipment and gear for police. govdeals.ca, government surplus auctions, Canada. govdeals.com. Government surplus auctions. govplanet.com. Government surplus, military surplus and Humvees. handcuffwarehouse.com. Police handcuffs. IDM instruments. itm.com. night vision cameras. lawpolicegear.com. LA Police Gear Tactical Gear. mikespoliceequipment.com. copquest.com. copquest Police Equipment and Tactical Gear. mistralgroup.com/security.asp. 800-9 Mistral. Nick Law Enforcement Supply. 500 Flournoy Lucas Road. Building 3. POB 5950. Shreveport, Louisiana 71135. 888-642-0007. Fax 318-688-1367. nic-inc.com police-products/vehicle-equipment. Police car and vehicle equipment. Public surplus. publicsurplus.com. schoollockers.com. Police equipment lockers. secondchance.com. 800-253-7090. Bulletproof vest. strikers.com. Police gear and equipment. The Home Security Superstore. thehomesecuritysuperstore.com. thunderheadoutfitters.com. Tactical gear. Police equipment products for sale. 1-21stcenturyhardarmor.com, 21st Century Hard Armor. 2-NDSTARASSOCIATES.com, Second Star Associates Body Armor. 911supply.com. 911travel.com. abica.com, background checks, etc. acmeplaque.com/patches/about.asp, from patch to plaque. actionstunguns.com, Action Stun Guns. actionstunguns.com, security products. airbagoptions.com, airbag options. alert10-04.com, advanced law enforcement readiness training, alert. altama.com, Altama footwear. americanpolice.net, American police equipment. armorshield.com, armor shield. aspitactical.com, ASPI tactical. awardsandmore.com, awards and more. ballistics.com.au, Craig International Ballistics Thai Ltd. bennettsaffady.co.uk/product/ballistic_stab_vest.php, Hauberk body armor. body-armor.org, Swedish body armor. body-armor.us. bodyarmorcompany.com/main.html. Kijo Limited Company. bodysecurity.com. bodysecurity.com, bodysecurity.com. bock.com/ballistic.htm, Bosuk, ballistics test facility. bodachTactical.com. bulletproofme.com, bulletproof body armor. capps-shoe.com. centuriontactical.com, tactical gear. chiefsupply.com/police_gear.html. code3jewelry.com, code 3 jewelry LLC. code3tees.com. combinesaffady.com. copclassifieds.com, cop classifieds. copperdar.com, copperdar.com. cop-shopper.com. cop-shopper.com, polikishopper.com. copsonline.com, copsonline. criminalwatchdog.com, criminal record checks. ctsbiz.com, cool techie stuff. cybersafetyproducts.com. cybersafetyproducts.com, cyber safety products. emergencyremarketing.com, cruisers. enforcersafes.com, enforcer safes security/gun safes. fingerprintamerica.com. firstdefense.com. firstdefense.com, first defense. firsthomesecurity.com. firsthomesecurity.com, first home security. galzinc.com. gordoncontract.com, Gordon Contract Police Footwear. griffithknives.com. griffithknives.com, Griffith Tactical Knives. gstpoliceequipment.com, GST Police Equipment. gunsamerica.com. harddogs.com. heritagesafe.com. hollowpoint.com, Hollowpoint Firearms. hsarmor.com, JHRG, LLC. indiesecurityproducts.com. indiesecurityproducts.com, Indie Security Products. Interamer.com, Inter-American Security Products, Inc. int-int.biz, Intelligent Armor Limited. jhspecialties.com. k9storm.com/home.html. K9 Storm Inc. lawenforcerscatalog.com. lbainternational.com, LBA International. Lifetime Products. lshlights.bigstep.com, LSH Lights. magnumpursuit.com, Magnum Police Equipment, Inc. metrousa1.com, Metro USA Safety Department Store. met-vest.com, MetVest. microvidiox.com, Spychem Detector. milestonesafety.com. milestonesafety.com, Milestone Safety Products. nationalfootwear.com, National Footwear. nlectc.org/batpro4/batsearch.asp, Body Armor Database. nlay.com/store/customer/home.php, Nick Law Enforcement Supply. Police equipment products for sale too. OwnDefense.com, Own Defense. PacSafety.com, Pacific Safety Products. PalsPro.com, Paul's Enterprises Gloves. PatriotSecurityInc.com. PatriotSecurityInc.com, Patriot Security Products. PC-guru.com, Police Software. PersonalArms.com. PersonalArms.com, Personal Arms. personalprotection.dupont.ca/kevlarlp.html. DuPont Canada. pinandpatchfactory.com. pinandpatchfactory.com, Pin and Patch Factory. pobits.com. Police Shirts. policebatons.com/index.html, monadnock. polycsages.com, Custom Police Cages. police-equipment-worldwide.com, policeequipmentworldwide.com. policemarksman.com. policeops.com/police-products.htm, United Dynamics Corp. policeprints.com. policyshopper.com. policesOurce.com. policesuplyonline.com. policesuplyonline.com, Police Supply Online. protectmefirst.com. protectmefirst.com, protectmefirst.com. ptssolutions.com, Police, Fire, and Court. publicsafetylogos.com. publicsafetylogos.com, Public Safety Logos. qmuniforms.com, Uniform Quartermaster. rivainternational.com/lighting. revdirect.com, Restored Emergency Vehicles. ruger-firearms.com. saddlebrooktac.com. safeselfdefense.com. safeselfdefense.com. safetyenforcement.com. safetyenforcement.com, Safety Enforcement. safety-identification-products.com, Child Safety Identification Cards. ScottyRV.com, Scotty Fire Safety House. secondchance.com, Second Chance. securitycosmos.com/default.asp, lawenforcerscatalog.com. securityprousa.com, Security and Safety Supply. selfdefenseweapons.com. sigarms.com. sirenet.com. smith-wesson.com/law.html, Smith & Wesson, Law Enforcement. Software. spetactical.com, SPE Tactical Training for Police and Security. streetpro.com, Street Smart Professional Equipment. stungunsupply.com, Stun Gun Supply. tbotech.com, TBOtech Self-Defense Products. tees4cops.com, Blue Line T-shirts and products. texastacticalsupply.com. thecopshopdirect.com, thecopshopdirect.com, The Cop Shop Direct, tr-22.com, tr-22 Tactical Restraint Baton, triplenickel.net, Triple Nickel Tactical Supply, tshirtdomain.com/statepolice.html, custom, turtleskin.eworldsupperstoryling.com, turtleskin, ubasikoff.com, ubasikoff.com, you back off, verypic.com, verypic, verypic.com, warning devices, videocomplex.com, CCTV, video security, visual-statement.com, software for police and accident reconstructionists, vlsusa.com, vehicle lighting solutions, Inc. Police product websites at web.archive.org/web/201232611128/http/www.policeinternational.com/products.php, Benz Police Fire EMT Uniforms.com/index.php, cuffs4cops.com, guardcom.net/index.html, jbot.ca, nationalbadgecompany.com, envisionoptics.com, peopleschedule.com, personalarms.com, planetheadset.com/law-enforcement-earpieces.php, policefireambulance.com, roadside-access.com/index.html, tees4cops.com/default.asp, trafford.com/robots/02-0619.html, xaragua.com.